Hello everyone, welcome back to Story Chronicles. In this video we will learn about Ifconfig command in Linux. Ifconfig means interface configuration. It is used to view and configure network interfaces in Linux. With this command we can check also IP addresses, MAC address, MTU size, packet statistics, and interface status. It can also enable or disable interfaces and assign IP address. Ifconfig. In my system I already installed Ifconfig, but if in your system not exist Ifconfig utility, you should first install it by executing this command sudo apt install net tools. Install net tools packet with which is include also Ifconfig. So Ifconfig, we see that we have three interfaces: ENO1, loopback, and VLP2S0. So this is interface name. EN means Ethernet device. O means onboard network adapter. 1 means first onboard Ethernet interface. Let's see what means flags. This flag describes the current state and capabilities of the interface. So app means that this interface is app at this moment. It is administratively enabled. Broadcast means that this interface supports broadcast as well as multicast. See here we are running, but here we don't have running. This means that this interface enabled, but physical link not detected. Maximum transmission unit size 1500 bytes. MTU, largest packet size that can be transmitted. This is this network interface MAC address, TXQ length, transmit queue size. This one. Transmit queue size, number of packets that can wait in the software queue before transmission. If queue becomes full, packet may be dropped. Interface type is Ethernet. RX packet 0, RX error 0, drop 0, overrun 0, frame 0. So number of packet received, total received bytes, total receive error. Examples. Here you can find, for example, serial errors, alignment errors, damaged frames. RX dropped, 0 packet discarded by the OS. RX overrun 0, NIC received packet faster than the system could process them. Possible causes: high traffic, slow CPU, driver issue. RX frame errors here. Frame alignment errors can occur due to cabling issues, duplex mismatch, corrupted Ethernet frames. Transmit, this is transmit statistics. Takes packet 0, number of transmitted packets 0 in bytes. Total, this is total transmit bytes 0. TX errors, packet that failed to transmit, possible causes: driver issue, hardware problems, link failures. Takes drop, outgoing packet discarded before transmission. Takes overrun 0, transmit buffer overflow, rare on modern systems. Carrier 0, physical layer error such as cable unplugged, bad cable, no signal from switch. If this counter increase, check cable, optics, switchboard, speed negotiation. Collisions 0, Ethernet collision detected, mostly seen on half-duplex networks. Modern switched full duplex Ethernet should show collision 0. So device interrupt 16, RQ number assigned to the NIC. When packet arrives, the NIC uses this interrupt to notify the CPU. This is memory range. Memory range mapped to the network adapter. The operating system uses this memory region to communicate with the NIC hardware. To show all interfaces, including disable one, you can use ifconfig -a. To enable interface, you can execute sudo ifconfig eno1 up. To disable it, down. Let's check ifconfig. For safe testing, don't use real network interface. Create test interface using a dummy interface. Well, let's first load the dummy module. Sudo mod proc dummy. Create test interface. Sudo IP link add test 0 type dummy. Let's check ifconfig. Let's bring it up. Okay, let's check again ifconfig -a. And we see test interface. Now this interface is disabled. Let's bring it up. Sudo ifconfig test 0 up. Let's assign IP address to it. Sudo ifconfig test 0 IP address 168.122 netmask 255.255.255.0. Let's check ifconfig, and we see our test 0 now is up. It is running. So we can change MTU size. For example, 1014, operation not permitted, sudo. Let's check again. And we see MTU size is now 1400. To disable interface, we can execute sudo ifconfig test 0 down. To remove it, sudo IP link delete test 0. Remember, ifconfig is a part of the older nettools package. On modern Linux systems, the recommended command is IP. You can manipulate with network interfaces with ipconfig. But ifconfig is still useful, especially for learning networking and working with other systems. How to set netmask using ifconfig? You can do that by ifconfig test 0 netmask 155.255.255.255.0. So sudo, let's check again. Let's change the net mask. Clear. Okay, 0. Now let's check. And we see now our net mask was changed. How to change MAC address? You can do that by ifconfig test 0 hardware adder and assign MAC address, some MAC address 1A, 3C, C3, 5D, and maybe 3B, B3. Sudo. Let's check again, and we see some MAC address. Seems I need to fill MAC address up to end. But anyway, you can do that by this command. Let's clear the screen. Let's bring our interface to down state. Sudo ifconfig test 0 down. Let's delete it. Sudo IP link delete test 0. Check again ifconfig -a. And yes, our test 0 interface was deleted. That's all for this lesson. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell. Thank you.